Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Welcome to Easy Talks English, the channel where you can learn English through easy, real conversations.
Every episode, we talk like real friends.
So if you want to understand English better, speak more naturally, and enjoy learning, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
All right, let's begin our first episode Daily Routine. So, Jack, what time do you usually wake up?
Usually around 7, but sometimes I wake up at 6:30, and sometimes 8. It depends on my sleep.
Oh, wow. I wake up around 8, but I don't get out of bed immediately. I need a few minutes to exist.
Haha, same. Do you check your phone in bed?
Yes, unfortunately. I check messages, maybe Instagram, or the weather.
I check the time and sometimes I just stare at the ceiling like, oh no, another day.
Relatable. Okay, after you get out of bed, what's next?
Bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth, then I drink water. Water wakes me up.
I want to do that. But I always go straight to coffee.
You and your coffee, it's like your personality.
Coffee is my personality.
So, do you shower in the morning or at night?
Morning. If I shower at night, I wake up tired again.
Interesting. I shower in the morning too, but very quickly.
I like long showers. It feels like a safe space.
A safe space with hot water and no problems. I understand.
Exactly. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I'm in a hurry.
Jack, breakfast gives you energy.
I know, but sometimes bed feels too good.
Fair. My breakfast is simple bread, cheese, maybe fruit.
I like eggs or oatmeal with banana.
Healthy. So your morning is wake up, bathroom, water, shower, breakfast.
Pretty much. What about you?
Wake up, phone, shower, coffee, breakfast. Check my planner.
Ah, yes, your planner. You love planning.
It helps me stay calm. If I know my day, I feel organized.
So, how do you go to work on office days?
I take the train. It's not too far, about 15 minutes.
Do you sit or stand?
Usually stand. Morning trains are very crowded.
Yes, I know that pain. My bus is crowded too.
Do you listen to music?
Always. It makes the morning better.
I listen to English podcasts sometimes, for learning.
And now our listeners can learn English with us. How cool is that?
Very cool. So, what's the first thing you do at work?
I make coffee number 2.
Jack, you complain about me, but you drink more coffee than I do.
Maybe? After that, I say hi to everyone and check my emails.
Emails. The never ending story.
Exactly. Do you also have many emails?
Yes, sometimes I answer emails for 1 hour,
Wow.
but after that, I start my real tasks.
So, what do you actually do?
I write reports, prepare presentations, and talk to clients.
Do you like talking to clients?
Sometimes, some clients are very friendly. Some are complicated.
I feel you. My tasks are similar. Meetings, reports, organizing things.
Do you enjoy your job?
I enjoy my team. The job is fine, not amazing.
Honest. I like honest people.
Do you take a break in the morning?
Yes, at around 10:30. I drink tea or water.
I like small walks in the office, just 2 or 3 minutes.
Smart. Moving helps the brain. What time is your lunch break?
Around 1, but sometimes 12:30.
Mine is usually at 1. I like this time.
Do you eat alone or with someone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with coworkers. It depends on my mood.
Same here. Sometimes I want quiet, sometimes I want company.
Exactly.
What's your favorite lunch food?
Hmm. Maybe pasta or soup. Simple but tasty.
I like sandwiches, fast and easy.
Afternoons are slow for me. I lose energy.
Me too. Between 2 and 4, I'm like a potato.
A potato. Same.
Do you drink coffee again?
No, only tea. If I drink coffee at 3, I can't sleep.
I can sleep anytime. Coffee doesn't affect me.
Lucky you.
What time do you finish work?
5, sometimes a little later.
I usually finish between 5 and 6.
Are you tired after work?
Yes, but in a normal way. You?
Depends on the day. So, what do you do after work?
Many things. Gym, cooking, walking, or sometimes just relaxing.
Nice balance. I clean the house a little. Then I cook dinner.
What do you cook?
Vegetables, rice, chicken, sometimes new recipes.
I want to try your food one day.
Maybe. If you behave,
I always behave.
debatable.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, usually series. You,
YouTube videos or movies?
do you read books?
Sometimes, but slowly.
Reading is good for English learners too.
Yes, maybe our listeners can start with easy books.
What time do you sleep?
Around midnight, you
11. If I sleep later, I feel terrible.
do you have a night ritual?
Yes. Wash my face, brush teeth, skincare, light music. Then sleep.
Wow, by relaxing, I just brush my teeth and collapse.
Okay, let's talk about weekends.
Yes, weekends are special.
I wake up later, 9 or 10, but I still drink coffee first.
Of course, I wake up around 9 too.
Do you clean on weekends?
Yes, Sundays. I clean the kitchen, bathroom, do laundry.
Same. Saturday is my cleaning day.
Do you go out?
Yes, sometimes. I visit a cafe, meet a friend, or walk in the park.
I like going to the park too, or visiting my parents.
That's sweet.
Do you cook on weekends?
More than weekdays. I try new recipes on Saturdays.
Nice hobby.
Do you have habits you want to change?
Yes. I want to wake up earlier and maybe cook more.
Good goals. I want to exercise more regularly.
Maybe we can motivate each other.
Deal.
What is one small daily problem you have?
Sometimes I forget where I put my keys.
Me too. Or my phone.
Classic. So, Jack, what did we learn today?
That daily routines can be simple, but also interesting. And everyone has different habits.
Yes, and our listeners learned a lot of useful English.
Thank you for listening to this long episode.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And join us next time on Easy Talks
English.